Hello friends, in the previous lectures we have discussed about the roles and responsibilities of a supervisor in an organization. Supervisor plays a very important role. He will play a role as a leader, motivator, as well as he is the only person who is responsible for successful implementation of the plan in the organization. What are the target or what is the vision set by the top management at the field level can be implemented by the worker with the help of the supervisor. He is continuously in contact with the worker and he acts as a link between the worker and the top management. Now, we will discuss in this lecture the scope of plan for supervisor. Supervisor make short-term planning which can involve scheduling daily activities, raw material, completing production target, purchasing, etc. So, as a supervisor, the supervisor is responsible for making the short-term planning. Short-term planning is maybe on daily basis, on weekly basis. Okay, and this short-term planning involves scheduling of daily activities. What the workers are supposed to do on that particular day, that is going to be decided at in that plan. Then raw material, how much raw material is required for executing the today's target or for achieving the target in the short period, that is daily target, weekly target, monthly target, completing production target on time, and purchasing, giving the requirement to the purchase departments. Okay, that can be purchased that one. Supervisor look into the work of his subordinate. He take care of the workflow. So when the work is going on, at that time, supervisor should make a round on the shop floor and check whether the work is going on in the proper manner. If there is some difficulty, he should assist the subordinate and he should take care of the workflow, whether the work is going on in the smooth manner or not. Supervisor look after subordinate report to him about their work. So the subordinate, in case of any problems, the subordinate should report to the supervisor. Supervisor are internally focused in planning. They manage group of employees. Their duties are focused on internal operation. So basically, supervisor role is related to the within the organization. Okay, the external factors are not going to be considered while planning by the supervisor because external factors are considered at the top management and medium management level. But as the role of the supervisor is to just uh, carry achieve the targets which are set, so he has to just focus on the internal parameters, whether the material is available, everything is going on in a proper manner. He just manage the manpower. He has to just make the maintain the machinery in the working conditions in association with the maintenance department and all these things. Supervisors plan the budget related to the manpower, overhead, raw material, and other project small expenses. So this is also an important role of the supervisor or scope of the plan for the supervisor. That supervisor is giving the budget related to the manpower, that how much manpower is required for particular target achievement, what are the overhead charges, what is the raw material required for the production of these finished goods, and small project expenses. So this budget, preliminary budget, is submitted by the supervisor to the finance department. Now say if in case of some seasonal item, at that time what happen, the demand of the product will increases. So at that time it might be required the manpower need to be increased, so can contractual employees need to be increased. Sometimes what happen, some laborers may not be able to come to the organization due to number of family reasons or sickness or anything. So at that time he should be able to manage the manpower. Okay, and he has to give the related budget to the finance department. Then overhead expenses are there. Raw material is the most important part. So how much, what is the quantity of the raw material? He has to maintain the inventory of the raw material so that in case of any problem, short-term problem, that raw material, because of the Lack of raw material, the production line does not stop, so he need to maintain certain inventory of the raw material. Okay, so this is about the scope of plan for supervisor. In the next lecture we will discuss about the steps in planning.